The Bronx Bushcraft Frittata, New York. Listen to me before you even touch that frying pan. Here's a New York secret, the water drop test. You want to know if your pan is ready? Flick a drop of water on it. If it dances and skedaddles like a tourist in the subway, it's hot enough. Throw a hunk of butter in the pan. Let it melt down. Don't be stingy with the butter. Butter is flavor, and flavor is everything. Grab a medium potato. Slice it thin, real thin. Like a New York slice of pizza, you know? Line them up in the pan, nice and neat. They're gonna be our crust. Look, I'm on vacation, all right? I got no fancy tools, no Michelin star kitchen, just me, the trees, and a dream. But we're still gonna eat like kings. Let's make something fast and delicious with what we got. Now, grab 4 eggs, crack them into a bowl. Beat them like they owe you money. Get them nice and frothy. Seasoning time. Little salt, little pepper, some thyme, and garlic powder. I'm using a fork here because, again, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Mix it all up. Add about 1/3 cup of flour. Now listen, I don't have a sifter or a spatula out here. It's nature style, but if you're at home, be a professional. Sift that flour so you don't get lumps. Me, I'm just winging it and praying to the pasta gods. Check those potatoes. Ooh, baby. Look at that golden color. Flip them over. If they look like they've been tanning in Miami, they're perfect. Let's talk greens, scallions, parsley, cilantro, the holy trinity. Chop them up. Get that knife moving. Back to the potatoes. Once both sides are crispy, hit them with a pinch of salt. Now pour that egg and flour mixture right over the top. Make sure it covers everything like a blanket. Sprinkle those fresh greens all over. Don't be shy. Make it look pretty. Put the lid on and let it set. We're building a masterpiece here with 0 equipment. When it feels firm, give it a flip if you want that extra crunch on both sides. Look at that. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, here's the trick I promised, the steamy finish. If you want this to be extra fluffy, Even without a sifter, add 1 tiny teaspoon of water to the edge of the pan before you put the lid on. That steam makes the eggs rise like a skyscraper. Look at this slice. Simple, rustic, and smells better than a deli at 6 a.m. You gotta try this. Now do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell your friends. Peace out.